What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Hey guys, what's up? I'm TonyaNicole and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, guys, we're going to be unboxing Lash Me Monthly right here. And I'm also going to show you guys some lashes that were sent to me from this company, I Heart Lashes. So if you guys want to see what's in Lash Me Monthly for the month of August, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Y'all know I love talking with my loves. Hello, guys. Welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, as I said in the intro, and welcome to my bomb-ass unboxing world. Today, we're going to be tackling Lash Me Monthly, and I have one more month with this subscription, and I ended up canceling them, guys. I think I'm getting like overwhelmed with lashes. I also decided not to unbox Glow Addict or Lashy Box this month. They just weren't really too, good this month. So I decided not to even unbox them. So we're doing Lash Me Monthly today for the month of August. And I also want to show you guys some lashes I received from Heart My Lash right here. I'm going to show you guys that toward the end of the video. Before we go any further, guys, I want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all dearly. I don't have a drink today, so let's just get on to the specs and unbox this. But y'all could take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Did y'all like my side chick unboxing? I really enjoyed that one. So this is Lash Me Monthly. This one is a $21.99 per month beauty subscription. Well, lash and beauty subscription. It does include free shipping. You get 3 pairs of personalized lashes, 3 full-size beauty products. All of the lashes are cruelty and fur free. There is a quiz on their site for you to fill out to further personalize your lashes. And if you use the code Tonya, you will get $5 off of your first box, guys. So let's see what we got. I'm gonna cut it open. I didn't even open it up yet. Okay, so let's see, guys. All right, that's what the inside looks like right there. And the theme for the month is Lash Me Monthly Year of Boxes. And on the other side, guys, we get a list of products as well as the prices. And y'all know I'm gonna put them down below for you guys. So let me roll up my sleeves and let's get on into it. First up, out the box, I'm pulling out from Gerard Cosmetics. And this is the Supreme Lip Cream. And we have the shade Wild Berry Tart. That's what the packaging is looking like, my loves. Ooh, okay, now, this is August, so I want to start getting more fall colors in my boxes because this right here is still giving me spring vibes. It's a beautiful color though, guys. It is in Wild Berry Tart, but now I want reds in deeper colors because fall is approaching, thank God. And let's see what this retails for, guys. This is the Gerard Cosmetics Supreme Lip Cream, and it retails for $16. And this is described as a mousse formula that is richly pigmented with ultra hydrating and comfortable to wear. Next up out the box, we have this blush from NYX right here. This is very, very pretty. This is the shade Rose Garden right there. I'm not gonna open it up. It does have some look like gold specks of glitter in it, guys. It's very, very, very pretty. I'm not gonna open it up because I probably will not use this. I would put this in a giveaway, but it's a beautiful pink shade with like some gold, like specks in it. I don't know what you would call it. This is the NYX Cosmetics Powder Blush and it retails for $6, guys. Then we received a palette. This is from Stab, and this is the Party Away palette right here. I think I received this in a Slay Glam before, or maybe a Beat Face box. I'm not sure, but it is an all shimmer palette, and I ended up gifting this to someone. This is what it looks like on the outside, guys. I may keep this one since it is like shimmer. It does come with a mirror. Oh, I got lipstick right there. And these are the shades right here, my loves. Gorgeous shades. This is an all shimmer palette right here. I absolutely love it. I think I am gonna swatch a few of these since I did give my other one away. And it matches my background. How crazy is that? Okay, that's how 5 of the colors swatched out. That's 1 swipe each, guys. It's not too pigmented, but for it being like an all shimmer palette, I would expect a lot of pigment on 1 swipe. And I mean, it's okay, but it's not really giving me too much. And this, guys, retails for $19.99. And then last up in the box, guys, we have our 3 pairs of lashes. And these are all from the company Silas, I think it is Silas, or Lash Me Monthly. It's the same company. So our first pair here, I'm gonna take them out this plastic so you guys can see them. And I did choose the glamorous option. Oops. And these are our first pair of lashes. They look very similar to lashes that I've received before from this company, but I do love them. These are perfect natural lashes to wear like to work or when I'm filming, so I do like these. And then we have this pair here, which is a little bit more on the glamorous side. It gives us a nice short to long. Let me show you. See, it gives you a nice short to long cat eye type look, which I do absolutely love. These lashes are beautiful. These are like my style right here. I love a short to long cat eye look because it just makes your eyes look so super sexy. It does. And then last but not least, we have these, and I'm sure I received these before. These are absolutely gorgeous. Let's see. Swipe them out, and that's what they look like right there. Gorgeous. They're all the same length all the way around, which will give your eyes like this nice focus right in the front. I do like these, guys. Okay, that was our final product in this month's Lash Me Monthly. I'm going to do a quick recap and we're going to do final thoughts. I'm going to show you these other lashes and we're going to be done. So we received these 3 pairs of lashes here, which I can wear every one of these. I love all 3 pairs. From Stab Cosmetics, this Party Away palette. From NYX, the powder blush. And from Gerard Cosmetics, this lip cream in the shade Wow Berry Tart. That is these 6 products right here, guys. Final thoughts on this box. Even though I am canceling this subscription, I may pick it back up later on, maybe probably next year. I'm just overloaded with lashes right now, guys, and it's a lot of lashes that I haven't even worn yet. I do think that this is a pretty decent subscription for $21. They do give you 3 full-size products and 3 personalized lashes, so I do like that about this company. All in all, I thought that this month's box was a good box. I could have done without this palette actually because the swatches just didn't, really do too much for me. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn well. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give Lash Me Monthly for the month of August. Oh, I almost got that wrong. A whopping 4 for this month. I thought overall it was a good box, guys. I just want to see more fall colors now because y'all know fall is coming and y'all know I'm the fall queen, boo. So let me know down below, guys, in the comments what you thought about this month's box. Let me know if this will be one that you will miss on my channel, or if you're okay with me canceling them. I get 1 more box, I think, next month, and that's going to be it. And yeah, so that's all that I have for Lash Me Monthly. Let me show you guys quickly some lashes I received from Heart My Lash. Before we do that, I'm gonna show you a Derma Elect scent. I posted on Instagram the other day that my Derma Elect lash serum was dried out, the one I received in BoxyCharm, and I really wasn't happy about that. So I put it on Instagram and they reached out to me and they said that they would send me another one, and it just came. So I'm very excited for this. I hope that this one is a little more moist. That's what it looks like right there, my loves. Let me see. Because I was looking forward, oh yeah, now it's much more product on the little spoolie here. I was actually looking forward to using this, but when I went to apply the one that I received in BoxyCharm, it was like totally dried out. So that wasn't good. I don't know if it was old or what, but I'm glad that they sent over a replacement. So I will be incorporating that into my nighttime routine. Thank you very much, Derma Elect, for sending me a replacement. Then this company, Heart My Lash, reached out to me and asked me if I would show you guys and possibly do a try on of their lashes. I will unbox them really quick. The try on portion will come at a later date, guys, because I already got my lashes on for today. And I'm gonna put their information down below in the description box. And they sent me a card, says, tough times never last, tough people do. I love that. Hi, Tonya. Thank you for supporting us. We love you. Remember, you are bold, you are beautiful, and you are fierce. I love that. And it hashtagged Lash Nation right there. I love that. That's so cute. Ooh, 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 ooh. They sent me a little letter. She's just telling me that she is the founder of this company. It's based in Miami. Their lashes are cruelty-free. You can wear it up to 20 or more times with proper care. They offer 2 types of lash bag bundles as well as lash styles sold separately. Their lash bundles will vary from time to time and include 4 different lash styles of different lengths and will always include at least one 25 milliliter lash style. Our style lash bags retail for $24.99. Our other type of lash bundle bag is called the triple threat and includes 3 of the 25 millimeter lash styles for $19.99. Our separate styles range from natural styles to dramatic. They currently only offer mink lashes, but they are working to incorporate silk lashes and faux mink lashes so that anyone who loves lashes will be satisfied and can always find something with Heart My Lash. So she has sent me over variation 1 out of 3. And also sent me 3 separate lash styles that they currently offer. As if you guys, my subscribers, my bomb ass subscriber squad, are interested in purchasing any of their lashes, they can use the promo code Lashes Like Tonya. That might be my favorite promo code. And you will receive 15% off of your purchase, guys. And I'm so excited to show you guys these lashes. So these are the 4 that came in the box. The first, the big bag. These, ooh, the first style is called Flirt. First of all, the packaging is gorgeous. I love that. Beautiful packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out so y'all can see. These are Flirt, guys. My goodness, aren't they beautiful? These are definitely TonyaNicole lashes. I love them. Okay. And then we have Shorty, which are short but full, and I do like that. I could definitely rock these. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful. They feel very soft, very nice. Ooh, and they're full. Okay. Heart My Lash, boo. I see you, girl. Also, we have these in Tick, tick, boom. Tick, tick, boom. Tick, tick, boom. These are gorgeous. Short to long, like I like. This is definitely Tonya. These are definitely TonyaNicole approved, guys. They're very soft, beautiful, full. They give you some volume and sex appeal to your eyes, baby. And last but not least, these must be the 25 millimeter ones. And these are in the style Foxy, like your girl. I'm Foxy Brown, boo. And there we go right there. Wow, these are gorgeous. Now I may have to trim these up just a little bit on the sides, but I'm gonna rock these. I think I'm gonna take a picture with these. These are gorgeous and they feel so pretty. Oh, I love them. Okay, cool. And then they sent over these 3 as well. Okay. These are Carmen right here. And that's how Carmen looks. I like those. Beautiful. Now these other 2, baby, they are super duper dramatic. Let me show you. This is Bossy. Because I'm bossy. I'm the first girl. I'm sorry, y'all. This is how these look. Some more 25 milliliter lashes. Millimeter lashes right there. Love these. They are so pretty. And then last but not least, we have Roxanne. Roxanne, I want to be your man. I'm showing my age, huh? Let me stop. All right, that's Roxanne. I do like Roxanne. Roxanne might be my favorite I like these. Oh yeah. Oh, they're beautiful, beautiful. All right, so that was all that I received from Heart My Lash. Thank you again, guys, Heart My Lash, for sending me over these lashes. I cannot wait to do a look with these lashes, a try on for my people. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. And that's all that I have, my loves, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with your girl. I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments and on my next video. Make sure you subscribe to your girl. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of these companies' links will be down below just in case. Don't forget, use the code Lashes Like Tonya if you want 15% off from Heart My Lash. And that's all that I have, guys. So I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. I love you guys dearly. Bye.